Making juice.
Wait, I'm gonna have a sip.
A small sip.
This is where the snakes live and the filthy are parts in
I'm recording it.
What are you doing?
We're recording it. We're recording the watermelon.
What?
Because we're gonna eat it. We got spoons.
Wait, if we dismembered freaking scissors, we could do it.
Oi!
I want my watermelon.
So that is why you.
Is it yum?
Don't splatter it though.
Making juice. Making some juice.
Oh shit, they get you.
Oh no!
Oh no. Don't drink it.
Yeah, that's not really bad. It's not bad. I miss
Making juice.
yummy.
I'm not gonna eat it.
We're gonna drink it. Shut up.
Alright, let's go. Oh!
Oh no!
Shit! Oh shit! That's why we did it on the carpet.
You got kicked out. I'm doing it here.
No, put it on the ground so I can do it faster.
Okay. Look at that. It's such a vibrant red. Wait, I'm gonna have a sip.
A small sip. No, what's so bad about it?
It's not bad. It's not bad. I had a lot of it though.
Yeah, I'll try something.
That's not bad. It's not that bad. Carnan is having an attempt at making some juice.
We need baby wipes.
We really need a baby wipe.
Wait. I'll go call your phone on that. I'll go call your phone.
Yeah, bro.
And what's the number?
I'm not gonna record the last
4-2.
one. 4.
How do I go back?
Oh, 2. I'm trying to call my number.
I don't, oh shit, wrong one. Shit.
Who's that? Is it ringing? Yeah, nice.
He's pranking.
Oh shit!
Okay, wait. I do want to.
Hello, how may I help you today?
Hello?
Hummus. It ended. Yep.
Novajetska loški, tripa loški.
Yeah, me and Caleb.
Oh, just her. Yeah. There we go.